Let's now increase the number of live messaging capacity from 10 to 11. This means that all the agents in our contact center received an increase in capacity. As for the conversation statuses and capacity, we can decide how conversation statuses will affect agent capacity for the contact center. The rule here says that agents will appear as busy while working on conversations that are in status waiting and solved. Now let's change the capacity per agent level, because when watching the reporting, Massimo realized that Emma can handle more conversations than defined per contact center. This is why Massimo will increase the number of live messaging capacity to 12 for Emma and, of course, reward her for the hard work. Let's choose Agents panel and select Emma. Over here we will navigate to capacity and simply change the capacity for Emma from 11 to 12. Now we have set up the maximum of live messaging to 12 only for Emma, not for the whole contact center and not for the other agents. Now that we have set up the capacity for our contact center and for our agent Emma, let's move on to the next panel, chatbots.